length of the stick. So we learn to make a double crochet today. Start by making a slip knot. This is one way of making slip knot. To start with any chain, and then yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. This is how we make the foundation chain. And continue. We make 10 chain. To make the double crochet at the chain number 10, we chain 1, 2, and yarn over and put the hook into the loop here. Yarn over and pull it through. We have 3 loops on the hook right now, and yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Okay, yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. This is the double crochet. One more, yarn over and put the hook into the loop. Yarn over, pull it through. We have 3 here. Yarn over, pull 2, yarn over and pull 2. Okay, continue. I finish the chain with the double crochet. For the next round, if you want to make a double crochet too, you chain 1, 2, and turn over. Yarn over again and put the hook into the first stick here. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over again, pull 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through. This is the double crochet stick. Again, yarn over, put the hook under and pull the yarn. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and 2. Okay, let's continue. This is the pattern of double crochet repeating. Now today we're gonna learn how to make the treble crochet. Start by making slip knot. This is one way of making slip knot. You have many ways to crochet slip knot and make a foundation chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and continue 10 chain. At chain number 10 here, we chain 3 and yarn over 2 times. Put the hook under the yarn at chain number 10 and yarn over and pull it through. Now we have 4 loops on the hook and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through. Okay, again, yarn over 2 times and put the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through. We have 4 here, yarn over and pull through 1 time, yarn over 2, yarn over 3. That's why we call it treble crochet stick. Okay, one more again to finish this round. Pull 2 loops 3 times, pull through, yarn over, pull the hook, yarn over and pull it through. We have 4 and then yarn over and pull in each 2 loops. Okay, you see the difference in the height of the stick. Roll the yarn 2 times and put the hook under, pull it through. And finish the last chain. Okay. If the next round you want to make a treble crochet, then you chain 1, 2, 3 and turn over, and then roll 2 times the yarn, put the yarn into the first stick here. This is the first one, and yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. Okay, finish the round 2. We will see the difference of the stick in the height of the pattern. And when you learn how to make the basic stick, you can mix together to make it many different kinds of the pattern to depend on your creativity. And end of the round we chain 1. This is 2 rounds of treble crochet. And to make it longer, here just repeat. And this is the double crochet, and treble crochet is the length of the stick.